Let me tell you about my brother Sayem, also known as FBM Sayem. He didn't wait for changes to come. He created his own. From Dhaka, he started FBM Squad, where he mentors, learns, and helps the digital brands grow with both skill and care. One of these clients, Larbi Farm, jumped from 1,200 to over 1,200 subscribers in just 1 month. That's not luck. That's smart planning, SEO skills, and understanding what people want. He speaks Bangla, English, Hindi, and Korean. He has helped creators from different countries fix social media accounts, recovered lost channels, and build global systems using Notion and CSV templates. Now, he dreams of working in global strategy roles at Google or YouTube. And I believe he is ready to shine on the world stage. If you are looking for someone who can turn data into growth, vision into results, and ideas into global influence, my brother is one. I am proud of him, and I want to the world to know that he can do.